Folks, I'm in Idaho. Look, I updated from an ice chest to a regular cooler that works off a battery. Had to update my battery as well from a 55 amp hour to a 100 amp hour. And cooking up some sweet potatoes. I'm out of fresh food, so I've got some eggs going on here. Dried powdered eggs. I'm at this place. It's just a little picnic area and an ATV staging area. I'm on my way to Glacier National Park to work for the summer. I'm taking my time getting there. Got everything out of my food drawer right now, so a bit of a mess. But what happened was I looked under my vehicle yesterday and I noticed that both of my CV boots were torn to shreds. So I am here in Pocatello, Idaho. I've ordered some of those wraparound CV boots and I found a mechanic who's going to put them on for me. I have done that job before and it is nasty and I did not want to deal with it. So this will just get me by until I get to a more stationary location and I can see what's going on and get things fixed properly. I know there are better ways of doing this, but my olive oil was frozen solid, so I just stuck it in the hot water for the potatoes. This is van life. The yeehaws are back. He obviously comes here a lot. He's completely torn up this parking lot. So the two people on the horses were recording him that time. I think they're locals. Not very nice for them to be doing that around anybody, let alone people on horses. So tonight, my camp spot is being hosted by Scar, and this is his friend Lois. This is the most unusual place I've ever been in. He has two buses that are for people to use. This is like the library. He's got books up here and chairs, TV. We're gonna watch a movie. So here's one camper that just pulled in their Class A. Over there is a KOA campground where people are paying $45 to sleep in the car or $70 for hookups. And here is Scar with his two buses and all of us strange and wonderful people getting together, strangers around the campfire for free. Two young girls just pulled in. They're actually going to stay in that little van over there for the night. They're in a car, so they're going to sleep in that little van over there for the night for free.
Washington.
Ooh.
We go a little bit everywhere.
All right. How do you like it?
I've been doing it my whole life, so it's not. I don't know. It's weird for me to say, like, but I don't really know anything else. I've had a couple regular jobs at home, which I hate. I hate being in one place too long.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't have. When I was traveling with the show on the East Coast, I just stayed in hotels every night You know,
Yeah.
it's a lot of hotels, a lot of driving,
Yeah.
a lot of all-nighters and stuff like that. With the bus, it's a little easier.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I'm here at Craters of the Moon National Monument, and it is so windy. I'm not sure I'll be going for any hikes today. And it's not a warm wind, it's a cold, cold wind.
I watch a movie at night.
A lot of universities are already out of school. That's a beautiful bird right there.
Yeah, pretty cool looking.
Was repeatedly heated, causing a long sequence of eruptions, which formed a string of caldera. Salt erupted as molten lava flows that covered the land in thin sheets.
So the entrance station was sending people to the Devil's Orchard Trail for hiking. And this is where we are, because they felt it was the safest place for people to hike in this wind. So here I am, Devil's Orchard. I really like it that in this park they're admitting to mistakes that the Park Service has made in the past. Share with you a meal that has become one of my favorite meals of late, and this is cabbage. I'm cooking it in some butter. I've added salt, pepper, and garlic, and I'm just cooking it up, and then I'm going to add a packet of chicken. You know, cabbage keeps pretty well without a fridge. It's nutritious. It'll keep for quite a long time, actually, especially in a fridge. One cabbage will do about 4 meals for a person, or maybe even more. It's actually pretty tasty to eat as a snack on its own. And it's very inexpensive. So with prices going up, you can get a nutritious meal at a very low cost. So there it is. I guess you could add some peppers or peas or something, or if you wanted a little bit more color. You may think I'm weird, but this is delicious.